In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a navigation menu in your website header. To get started, go to your header section and drag the navigation menu element into place. This is the foundation of your site navigation, and placing it in the header helps visitors find their way around your website from any page. A clear navigation menu is especially important because it improves usability and gives your site a more polished, professional feel. Once the element is added, click on it to open the sidebar settings. This is where you'll build out your menu structure. Use the Add Menu Item option to create your main links. For example, you might add pages like Home, Menu, About, and Book Now. As you enter each item, think about the most important pages your visitors need to access quickly. Keeping these top-level links simple and easy to understand will make your navigation much more effective. If you need to organize related pages under one category, you can create drop-down menus. To do that, click Add Sub-Item under a parent menu item. This is a great way to group content without overcrowding your main navigation. For instance, if you have a catering section, you could place more specific options underneath it, such as corporate catering and wedding catering. Using drop-downs thoughtfully helps keep your menu clean while still giving visitors access to everything they need. Next, make sure your menu behaves well on smaller screens by enabling the wrap option in the settings. This is an important step for responsiveness. If your navigation becomes too long to fit on a mobile screen, wrapping allows the items to move onto a new line instead of stretching awkwardly or breaking your layout. That means your menu stays usable and visually organized even when viewed on phones or smaller tablets. Finally, take a few moments to style the menu so it looks clean across all devices. Customize the hamburger menu icon, which is the three-line icon commonly used for mobile navigation. Make sure it's easy to recognize and fits the overall look of your site. Then adjust the font size and spacing of your menu items. Proper spacing improves readability, and balanced sizing helps the navigation feel intentional rather than cramped. As you make these adjustments, it's a good idea to preview the menu on both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks consistent and easy to use. And that's how to add and customize a navigation menu in your header so it stays organized, responsive, and user-friendly.